We really started out as this kind of a lean virtual company. Now going fast forward 5 years later, we have our own battery lab. It's basically the largest in the Netherlands. My name is Rood. I founded LeydenJar 6 years ago together with Gabe, the schemaker. We addressed this problem of battery cells that are just not good enough. We contribute to that by addressing the bottleneck in the battery cell, which is the anode, and we replace it with our anode, which is a pure silicon one, and it almost doubles the performance of battery cells. So when we founded LeydenJar Technologies, we started without a battery lab and also without a production facility to make these anodes. And we had 300,000 euros. So that was hardly enough to make this battery lab and production facility. So what did we do instead? We worked with some of the very well-renowned battery research institutes, like in Germany, ZSW, based in Ulm, in the Netherlands, Technical University Delft. We also worked with the original inventors, which is a research organization called TNO, and we basically rented their equipment that they developed originally for solar cells. So we really started out as this kind of a lean virtual company. Now going fast forward 5 years later, we have our own battery lab. It's basically the largest in the Netherlands, very well advanced, I would say. For deep tech companies in the Netherlands addressing these climate problems, you really have to find a way to start lean and mean. And once you demonstrate, you can raise quite some capital. If you zoom in the battery material itself, our anode foil consists of a copper layer, copper foil, with pure silicon on top of it. Silicon is the second most abundant material on Earth. The availability is there, not just in specific regions, but worldwide, and its CO2 footprint thus is much lower. Now, we also need very little material of that. So our anode is 10 times thinner than a current coated anode, which consists of a lot of graphite. So in that way, we also limit the material we need on this anode, and the material itself has a much better CO2 footprint. So that is it's a great advantage as well. I think it's goal number 7 that focuses on energy, and that's clearly where we have the most contribution by enabling electrification in products that don't have a cord, and also at a later stage, because we cannot address all lithium-ion applications at the same time, right? We need a certain build-up. Clearly there is a match there, and that's in the hearts and minds of all our people.